Take about 2 cups of cabbage chopped. Into it, add 1 teaspoon of ground pepper, half teaspoon of turmeric, salt half teaspoon, and mix well. Allow it to marinate for 5 minutes. Now in a pan, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, and allow it to splutter. Leaves. Once the aroma of curry leaves spreads, add 1 finely chopped onion and saute. Allow the onion to turn translucent. Now add a pinch of hing or asafoetida powder into it. Once the aroma of asafoetida and onion spreads, add the marinated cabbage into the seasoning and saute. Close it with a lid. Slow the flame and allow it to cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Cabbage Toran is one of the many dishes served for Onam Sadhya on a banana leaf. Alright, it's been now 7 minutes. I had kept in a very slow flame. It has become tender and the aroma of spices has spread. Let us now switch off the flame. Add about a handful of freshly grated coconut. Make sure the flame is off. Close it with a lid and allow it to set for a minute. Serve cabbage toran with steamed rice. Cabbage toran is a wonderful dish and is part of Onam Sadhya recipes. I hope you like this video and you will try it out this Onam festival. Thank you so much for watching veenaskitchen.com. Please do subscribe for more videos. Bye.